दर्पण को, दिल के दर्पण को सफा कर, दूर कर अभिमान को। खाक हो गुरु के कदम की, तो प्रभु मिल जाएगा, तुझ परम पद पावेगा। जो भजे हरि को सदाए, 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 तुझ परम पद पावेगा, सोई परम पद पावेगा।
आपने हम बच्चों जिन्होंने अपनी उम्र के मुताबिक संगीत से अभी तक जितना सीखा व समझा था, को संगीत की जिस गहराई तक ले जाने का प्रयास किया है, वह हमारे लिए अवश्य ही लाभकारी होगा। मैं स्पिक मैके ग्रुप का भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी, जिसके कारण ही आज हमें यह सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ।
बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि नहीं तो सब कॉलेज में, यूनिवर्सिटी में सब डिस्को डांस करते रहेंगे। हमारा जो कल्चर है वो बचाने में, उसका प्रचार करने में बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं। जब हर एक को बुलाते हैं, सुनाते हैं, प्रचार करते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में, कॉलेज में, सब वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत अच्छी यानी आदत हो जाती है कि हमारा कल्चर कितना बड़ा है।
जो शास्त्रीय संगीत है वो बड़ों तक ही सीमित रखा जाता है। अब हम जैसे हैं तो हम में से कई लोग हैं कि जिनको अच्छा नहीं लगता, लेकिन अगर इस तरह की चीज़ें और रखी जाएंगी तो हो सकता है हमें थोड़ी नई उसको सीखने की थोड़ी प्रेरणा जागे और हम ज़्यादा सीख सकें उससे।
But things that uplift, things that really move human beings, few young people are going towards that, and we have to rejuvenate the society. We have to make young people think about these things and make them come towards such, at least let them experience some of these very deep moments which many aspects of our heritage can provide.
Overwhelmed by the potency of classical Indian art forms and confronting their own feelings of vacuity, 4 young students in 1978 gave birth to a movement, Spik Mackay. Today it is a dynamic and vital part of more than 400 schools and colleges all over India.
It's only unintentionally that these things get this way. Nobody intends it.
It encourages the young to participate actively and voluntarily in organizing a series of events that range from lecture demonstrations to concerts by eminent artists and performers, who in turn give of their time voluntarily.
I think their role is very critical, because how many schools, even if they believed in this sort of literacy, would have the sort of resources that Spik Mackay has been able to muster. Children see these people in flesh and blood. They literally, they can talk to them, interact with them, ask them questions. This can be a tremendous source of inspiration on the one hand. On the other hand, the reality of their existence and of a lifetime of work, sometimes generations of work, which they would never get through other experiences.
Spik Mackay has evoked the unstinting support and encouragement of India's leading classical performers. It provides an opportunity for rare and unique interactions. The movement fosters a sense of community, of the willingness to be responsible, to serve. It seeks to promote culture not as a passive taking in, but a living, vibrant experience.
और जरा खींच के चलो, जरा खींच के, हाँ ये ठीक है। इसको दिमाग हल करता है, समझता है, दिल फैसला करता है। ये स्पीक मैके बहुत उम्दा चीज़ है, बड़ी उम्दा चीज़ है। और उनके संबंध जो हैं, जो इसके कार्यकर्ता लोग हैं, इनसे हम बहुत करीब हो गए। पैसा इतना नहीं है, लेकिन ये प्रोग्राम ऐसा करते हैं कि तमाम बच्चों को सुनवा रहे हैं। किसी का भी प्रोग्राम हो, उसको सुनो तो कलाकार जो होगा उसका मूड बनेगा, उसका दिल खुश होगा कि बच्चे बड़े अच्छे हैं। और अगर उसमें होर्डिंग करना शुरू करो तो कहेगा कि भाई हम कहाँ पहुँच गए।
But those whose art can evoke the sublime, ineffably transforming emotions in their audiences, give so generously of themselves to Spic McKay as the ultimate validation of their commitment.
There is some need to tell the others. It's not just listening to classical music. That can be done through cassettes or whatever you get. But when you work as a team, right, it gives you a sense of, like it brings you closer than many other aspects of it. I have learned organization, I have learned discipline, I have been exposed a lot. I can handle things. It's given me confidence.
Young people find themselves doing unusual things as they participate in a process that sensitizes them to the broader aspects of culture. The end is not just a distant goal. Its essence lies all along the way, linked closely with the means. The miracle of Spic McKay is that it functions through an elaborate national network of volunteers, young people, while in school and college, who pledge their time. A small, relatively stable core group based in Delhi provides direction and continuity. Spic McKay's success demonstrates that large numbers of young people can inspire each other into assuming responsibility.
Okay. Yeah. No.
एक होना रहेगा थोड़ी नहीं और करो और जाएगा पीछे ये बीच में आएगा नहीं ये करिए.
The movement itself is as much the message as are the repositories of India's classical heritage that it promotes. And the organization of programs is a process in itself of learning, of imbibing, and most importantly, of being inspired.
Spic McKay is not trying to promote Indian classical music and dance. That's not the main aim of Spic McKay. It's using it as a medium. It's one of the most powerful horses we have, and we are using it as a medium to get to this experience, this very deep, abstract, subtle, inspiring experience. When you look at the sky, you see it's blue and there are some clouds and there are some birds flying around and you feel happy. Today we just have forgotten to feel passionately about anything at all. But I think Spic McKay is the one that's been giving me a lot of nourishment. I think, yeah, that's the word I've been looking for. Yeah, it's been nourishing me very holistically, time and again. It's just a way of life. It's a way of looking at everything. It's a way of it's a way how you greet a person when he comes to your house for the first time. I mean, it's as basic as that. So that is what we really confronted for the first time in our lives.
कि मैं शुरू ही से स्पीक मेके के साथ हूँ, उसका एक मेंबर हूँ, तो छोटी छोटी जगहों में जाकर ख़ास तौर से स्टूडेंट्स को, तालिब इल्मों को, विद्यार्थियों को जो है हमने अपनी सभ्यता, अपनी तहज़ीब और अपना तमद्दुन सिखाया और बताया और समझाने की कोशिश की है और आज तक कर रहे हैं। हमारी तहज़ीब और हमारा धार्मिक जो एक रिश्ता और एक संबंध है वो असल में शास्त्रीय गायन से है, वो शास्त्रीय उसूलों और प्रिंसिपल्स से है। भगवान राम कहते हैं कि मैं कहीं नहीं मिलता, न ऋषियों से मिलता, न मुनियों में मिलता, न जो भजन करते हैं उनमें मिलता, बल्कि मैं मिलता वहाँ हूँ। मैं आपको रामायण सुना रहा हूँ, मिलता मैं वहाँ हूँ जहाँ गायन होता हूँ। तो जब ये हमारी सभ्यता है तो शास्त्रीय संगीत एक ब्रिज है उस मालिक तक पहुँचने के लिए। आज अगर हम इन शांत रूप से उस मालिक को पहचानें, उसको समझें, उसकी पूजन करें, उसको याद करें, दिल में श्रद्धा रखें, तो आज जितने झगड़े हैं, जितने टंटे हैं, जितने फसाद हैं, जितने भी हमारे आपके यानी कि जो है वो यानी ये दूरियां हैं जो एक बड़ा अफसोसनाक और बहुत ही आजकल एक सबसे ज़्यादा यानी कि जो है इस बात के कहने की ज़रूरत है कि ये जितनी भी यानी कि जो है वो शासन के लिए, कुर्सियों के लिए, ताकत के लिए, हुकूमत के लिए जितने भी झगड़े और फसाद हो रहे हैं, तो अगर ये संगीत को समझें, अगर ये शास्त्रों को समझें, अगर ये धर्म को समझें, तो आज ये तमाम झगड़े और तमाम फसाद पीस में बदल जाएंगे और इन नफ़रतों को बदल दिया जाएगा।
और शुरू में वो कॉलेज में, हाई स्कूल में करते थे। एक 3-4 वर्ष के पीछे छोटे छोटे बच्चे स्कूल में हुआ मेरा प्रोग्राम। उस वक्त वो लड़के को ज़बरदस्ती बिठा दिए थे उधर। एक लड़का कान में हाथ डाल दिया, हम गाने शुरू किए। वो टीचर वगैरह करने से फिर ऐसा बैठता था, फिर ऐसा करता था। डर के मारे में आजकल वो बैठते हैं, हम बोलते हैं कभी कभी किसी को जाना हो तो जाइए, नहीं जाते। इसलिए मुझे आज अच्छा लगता है, बहुत बाहर प्रोग्राम होते भी स्पीक में हम आते हैं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है।
Problem is one of getting the young person to have a little patience and a little faith. These two things. And you know, Star TV, MTV, all these things are, all the outside influences which are coming, they have to come. I am never saying that they should stop. But what they are doing is they're reducing the concentration or the span of patience of an individual day by day. You know what I'm saying? That is the thing which I'm very worried about. Truth can be, any human being has the ability to recognize truth, but it must be given, there must be a chance given to truth. I must be ready to say, look, I'm ready to check it out. For the checking out, it can't be the same checking out as you have with the checking out of Michael Jackson. It can't be. The format has to be a little different. That format requires two things: some patience and some faith.
One such format is the Gurukul scheme. The Gurukul scholar embarks on a month-long journey of discovery and self-exploration. Here, Gorika and Shilpa have chosen to spend their time at a Tibetan nunnery in McLeodganj in Dharamsala.
Gurukul, perhaps for me it means that because in this nowadays you don't tend to be, really near someone who is supposed to be doing something nice, wonderful about, and is convinced that what he or she is doing. Like, I'm not expected to learn about Buddhism in 1 month, which is impossible anyway. People take years and years to learn.
I think it makes you reflect on the way we live, I mean, their unquestioning faith in certain in a way of life in some people, say for example His Holiness, and the fact that they can actually take in strangers without any qualms. I think it makes us reflect on the way we live and our attitudes and our activities as well, because they live in austerity, and that austerity is not necessarily imposed from the outside.
The girls interact intimately with the nuns and participate in the many aspects of community life in the nunnery. The catalysts for holistic development can come from varied quarters, and the life of a nun indeed can provide valuable insights to a spiritual way of life, where the emphasis lies in cultivating altruism, concentrating not on what you can take, but what you can give.
L-D, ये है E. क्या होता है? फ्लावर्स, ठीक है? अच्छा, मेरी उंगली का.
The experience epitomizes Spikmikay's aims to realize the importance of a cultural tradition and its role in the life of a people.
If they went from our nunnery, we all very feeling sad because now we are very close each other, and nuns are very love to these two girls, and they very like to us. So we are sometimes cooking together, pray together when they are stay here. So we are talking about our tradition, so their mind must change.
Say if I'm very angry about something, and I think it out in my mind, and then work it out differently.
The essence of the Gurukul scheme is to provide a brief experience of the Guru Shishya Parampara.
Thinking about how to resolve the problem in a different way. You have been practicing patience. So that, in fact, is a positive activity. So you create virtue.
Spikmikay's activities have diversified into the written word. Its publication, The Eye, aims to provide an intellectual framework for the worldview Spikmikay embodies. It is made possible by the same volunteerism that permeates all of Spikmikay's initiatives.
It's very much in keeping with the basic logo of Spikmikay, which is also the third eye, which is a symbol of knowledge and understanding. And we wanted the magazine to be very closely, since it is a Spikmikay publication, to be linked up closely with that. And the eye as itself, by itself, has a significance of being an instrument of perception. The idea behind it is that we'd get a lot of young people involved in two things. One is in contributing for the magazine in terms of articles and stuff. The other is also in the distribution or the dissemination of the magazine itself. Our target is definitely the young adult. The adult who is in college, who is out of college in an active working area. Therefore, we have chosen subjects that have tried to explore culture in its entirety So people were a little surprised that why would a Spick McKay magazine deal with a subject like consumerism or talk about development issues. So they all have a link and a tie-up. So our magazine tries to link up and break down these interdisciplinary walls.
Is the unity of India, is it based on agreement or is it based on difference? I think these are the two views about the unity of India. Instead of putting your faith in the government, you put your faith in society.
The school group is another of Spick McKay's activities, aimed at inculcating a sensitivity to the larger aspects of culture. The group attempts to expose young minds to the insights and perspectives on a variety of themes by academics who would not ordinarily interact with the young.
And I said I'll stop there because I hope Spick McKay is also one of these movements and will not rely on government support, but will only rely on our social support.
I mean, sure, anybody who comes here, perhaps not today, you're not really impressed, but 5 meetings of Spick McKay and you would have a broader view.
We as members of the Spick McKay, do our work, and the objective of Spick McKay is to spread our culture and culture towards other people. So if we are doing our duty in that, then obviously other people also will be able to know about other cultures.
इसके अलावा न सितार भारत है, न सरोद भारत है, न तबला भारत है, न गज़ल भारत है, न ठुमरी भारत है, कुछ भी नहीं है। अगर भारत है तो वो ये है। तो लिहाजा ये है भारत की पूजा। कुटिगुणम स्तोत्रम स्तोत्राट कुटिगुणम जपय जपात कुटिगुणम गानम, गानात पर तरम नहीं। हर धर्म के अंदर मोक्ष के लिए कुछ न कुछ कहा गया है, लिहाजा ये हमारे पूर्वजों ने इसको मोक्ष का रास्ता बनाया है कि संगीत को यानी नाद को जो है हम ब्रह्म रूप मानकर उसकी उपासना करें और ये अपने ईश्वर को पालें। अब होता है या नहीं होता है बहरहाल, लेकिन दरिया के किनारे पे खड़े होकर कभी गहराई का अंदाज़ा नहीं किया जा सकता जब तक कि उसमें गोता ना लगाया जाए।
वैसे साइंटिफिकली ये है कि आवाज़ एक ही जगह से निकलती है, कंठ से, लेकिन संगीत में ऐसा माना जाता है कि नाद 3 जगह से निकलता है, एक कंठ से, एक हृदय से और एक नाभि से। आपको समझ में आएगा कहाँ से निकलता है।
Spick McKay's attempts have helped to make the practitioners of the classical art forms models for emulation.
कलाकारों के साथ जो स्टूडेंट्स संपर्क में आते हैं और उनसे इस प्रक्रिया में जो उनके मन मस्तिष्क पर जो प्रभाव गिरता है वो उनके ता ज़िंदगी जो उनका जो अपना एक विकास होता है, दिमाग का कहेंगे, व्यक्तित्व का कहेंगे, उस पर भी प्रभाव डालता है और वो निश्चित रूप से अच्छा ही होता है।
सब लोग इसमें मानसिक रूप से कार्य करते हैं, तो
कभी कभी कम्युनिकेशन गैप जिसको कहते हैं तो हो जाता है,
लेकिन वो तो उसमें इनबिल्ट है स्पीक मेके में, उसको आपको मान के चलना पड़ेगा कि ये गड़बड़ियाँ इसमें होंगी। इसलिए अगर वो प्रॉपर इस्टेब्लिशमेंट होगा, ऑफिस होगा, सब काम करने वाले होंगे, तो ये फिर उसी एक आम
संस्था की तरह
परिवर्तित हो जाएगा। लेकिन जो इसका एक खुला स्वरूप है, ये बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है और इससे कुछ थोड़ा बहुत नुकसान होते भी हैं, तो वो तो हर सिस्टम की अपनी कुछ कमियाँ हैं।
SPICMAKE, this voluntary organization, is having programs, is moving from year to year into lots of activities, and whole of that gamut of activities have to be coordinated, have to be organized, and the organizers are the people who get into SPICMAKE to say, I will like to put in my energies into participating in SPICMAKE, what they have learnt, what they have enjoyed, to share it with others. So for that, there are more hands who get involved in it.
We have been talking a lot about the issues involved in SPICMAKE from the finance angle, we'll be talking about the publicity angle.
An annual convention brings together most of the more than 1,500 active volunteers from some 150 chapters from all over India. It is through the efficient functioning of this network that makes it possible to organize more than 1,000 different events each year.
These guys have to be paid.
The overriding concern of the volunteers has become the raising of resources to ensure the continuing vitality of SPICMAKE. A unique feature of SPICMAKE is the nature of its funding. It has thus far successfully shunned commercial endorsements, receiving instead the bulk of its support from the Government of India, private trusts and foundations. More than 95% of its resources go directly into its programs.
They're only interested in music, that's all. So how are you going to generate your finance? You can't mix up this. And you see, it's very difficult. One way emotion is carried. And we just have 2 or 3 people running around for finance. How much can we cover?
So a lot of our creative activity which could have been otherwise spent in trying to figure out more ways of increasing the chances of success of the final aim of SPICMAKE are going towards things which I think is sad, but it's a fact that we are struggling on the financial front.
Although I'm a businessman, I have practiced music for more than 40 years myself. I see that this is an organization which is doing yeoman service for the country. They are bringing about a cultural change which I don't think any government can bring about. And as a responsible citizen, I felt that this activity which is being performed and propagated by SPICMAKE needs support.
This is how the young people who would have had no chance to get attracted to our classical music have already become so much interested in it. And I think that's very important because music is not just for entertainment, but to appreciate, not only just to learn, but to even appreciate it. It has a civilizing effect. I think it is the most important thing, and they are doing such good job, but unfortunately it's not very easy. And I would sincerely appeal to the business houses and Indian community in general to give as much help to Speak Mckay.